This is how to reverse video on Wheels on your Instagrams, so let's get into it. Let me open one video here, and why the unique on the three dots here you can see that there is no option of rivers here. Now what you need to do, simply frequency where to share links, so then you will be here at this interface here. You have to use click on the copy link here, and we might this window open up your browser like I am using a Chrome browser, and now search here for Instagram video downloader. Now it is interface you have to use scroll down in order to open up the website, which is named as Save Insta. Simply click on it, and then you will be here past the link here, and then click on download. Now close this window and then click on the download video again. Wait for completing this download. So basically we just need to download the video, and in order to reverse this Instagram read or video we have to just use a third party. Don't worry, these third party apps are 100% safe and secure to use, so simply open up your Play Store or App Store and then search here for InShot or CapCut. You can use either of the one. Simply install here the app and tell me to open it like I am using Harry InShot. You can also use CapCut. So next what you need to do, simply open if your app like I am using a InShot app. So here simply click on video and then click on you and Harry in the video section. Simply click on the downloaded video of Instagram, click on an option here. So once in for this video here you have to just like for the reverse option in the menu, so you have to just find this option. Like this option is here, simply click on it and wait for completing this 200%. So it's almost done. Now you can see that the video has been reversed here. I just play, and then whether you can also reverse your Instagram videos easily. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.